Giving a good shower to lucky bamboo plants, especially in the morning. If you have kept them indoors, once a week give them a good shower. Dracena sanderiana, the variegated lucky bamboo plant. This is the plant that I have, and this is the variegation, and it looks so beautiful. One of the most easy growing plants, and also one of the lucky plants also. In fengshui, these bamboo plants are called as one of the money plants, wealth attracting, abundance giving, and also one of the beginner gardeners plant. Anyone who's interested in growing house plants can grow this plant simply in water and also in soil. Hello friends, welcome back to Thamara's garden. Today you can see the topic. The topic is about talking beautiful house plant. Today's topic is lucky bamboo plant, because this is one of the plants that is my favorite, and also a lot of gardeners love this. This is one of the trending house plants and very easy growing plants. So let's see what are the care tips for this lucky bamboo plant. These plants are very easy to grow from stem cuttings. Now here I have some cuttings, so very easy to grow in water, propagate in water and in soil both. So this plant, what you got to do is put them in clean jar of water. Now here I have a jar of water, and I'm going to put them in that and leave it for a couple of days, and after rooting you can put them in soil. So what is the rooting hormone you can use naturally? Use aloe vera gel as a rooting hormone before you put them in soil, so that will activate the boost of the plant. The growth will be amazing. Do you know that these plants love the shade, semi-shade, partial to medium sunlight? If they get exposed to the sun, you will see that their leaves will be burnt out. Now this is tips browning is a cause of too much exposure to the sun, or else could be because of watering, and or else there's another reason, because of over fertilizing. So avoid these mistakes when growing this beautiful house plant, lucky bamboo, and also this plant belongs to the family of Dracena. You can grow this plant from stems. Now I will show you. Now this is under another plant. I put these stems and they are very healthily growing. Only thing is you have to see that you keep it in a shade, and these plants will sure to grow even in another pot. Now this pot is a huge one, and there's another plant I have put, and on the side of that I grew these lucky bamboo plants. Under the philodendron plant also I have another lucky bamboo stem growing. So likewise you can do your own growing plants in same pots. You can put them and mix them with other pots, but make sure these plants need everyday watering, especially in the warm weathers. So I water them, and if you put it with a succulent, then you won't be able to water both. So see that you put the plant with the right mixture. Now this one also loves the moisture in the soil, and these Dracena plants also, they also love the balance in the soil. So likewise you can put same requirement, same plants with in same plant. These plants are low budget plants. You can get them easily from a friend of yours, or you can get them from online. And also these plants, when talking about the soil mixture, you need to keep the moisture balance of the soil. So when you're taking soil, take garden soil, then again you need to take some sand, and to balance the moisture you have to add some coco peat. So that will be enough. These plants are low maintenance and permanent, and they doesn't need much care, much fertilizer. Even without fertilizer you can grow them. Only thing is you will have to provide them the shade, and also watering is necessary. Thorough watering is a must if you have kept them indoors as an indoor plant, because this is one of the best indoor plant. And also you can keep this plant at your entrance, because this is said to bring good luck to your home. So once you keep them indoors, see that you give a good wash. At the beginning of the video I have demonstrated how to give a good thorough wash to the leaves, so that they are very attractive and elegant looking. The dust accumulated in the house plants will be washed away once you give a good wash. If you provide these plants some ample space, they will grow really very beautifully and also tall. So if you put them in small planters, the thing is that will look good and very attractive, but at the same time make sure you do a repotting once in 3 months, because that is necessary for the plant to grow very healthily. Otherwise these plants will be easily root bound. These plants are not fertilizer seeking, but you can give fertilizer of your choice. Either it could be something that is organic, homemade, or else you can use any fertilizer of your choice. So make sure they are nitrogen high, since these are house plants. Evergreen plants need more nitrogen than the other flowering plants, and they will grow very healthily. Nitrogen and potassium high fertilizers, so make sure that you use homemade ones. I always suggest that. Easy to find and easy to grow them with the use of organic fertilizers like tea or coffee fertilizers. So these are the fertilizers that I normally use. Even if you don't use them, these plants are low maintenance and permanent. You can grow them very easily. Lucky bamboo plants are ideal for home entrance and for your office to decor, because these are decor plants too. When you have any DIY planter idea, you can use these plants, use these stems for your home decoration, either in living room, bedroom, or else in your part of the house, because they are also adjustable to those environments. During the monsoons, you can shift your house plants to outdoors so that they also receive some rainwater. Rainwater is high in nitrogen and will be very helpful for these beautiful evergreen plants to grow very healthily. So make sure you give them natural water as well. Shifting them outdoors will be very useful. If you have kept your lucky bamboo plants indoors, make sure you shift them outdoors time to time. Once a week will be enough. Time to time shifting them outdoors, they will also get the natural sunlight, wind, and also rain. So that is also a must. When you keep them indoors, they don't get those things. Make sure you keep these plants near a windowsill for better results as a house plant. So friends, this is a beautiful house plant that doesn't give us much trouble, because even a beginner gardener can grow this, even a lazy gardener can grow this. This is a plant that doesn't seek any fertilizer as well, low maintenance and permanent plant. So this is a bonus tip for you all. Make sure you shift them outdoors as well time to time. So friends, today I covered up about this beautiful house plant, evergreen plant, lucky bamboo, and one of the feng shui plants. This one I love keeping at my entrance and also in home as a house plant, which gives us air purifier too, and also such a lucky plant. So if you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel Thamara's Garden and become a member of my channel to get other benefits, and also you are privileged. So friends, I hope you find this video very useful. If you are new, consider subscribing and also liking and sharing this with your family and friends. See you soon with another video. Bye bye, take care.